installing a custom vintage air system in this 1980s something C10. So what I've got so far is I use the original bracket for the top right here, and then it's right here in the vehicle. I just had to make some custom brackets utilizing the original bracket holes right here. So I've got straps that come down, and then the straps to the floor to keep this box nice and secure. And then once I've got the box all mounted properly, I'm going to install this bulkhead to run the lines through the firewall and wherever they need to go into the engine compartment. Gauge cluster installed. What we did is we have a control box right here with a bridge unit to run most of our readings off of the Holley. And so yeah, what I did was I worked on mounting these units onto the dash and running all the wires that I needed to run and hooking everything up, and we're all good to go with this new fancy gauge cluster right here. Now I'm on to the lines for this evaporator and also adding a dryer. We got to run them through the bulkhead that I made in the firewall the other day, and then we'll have gauges, AC and heat, and we'll be ready to move on to some other stuff. Cool. We're back on the C10. We've got our Dakota Digital all the way installed. We have our vintage air getting finished up as we speak. The evaporator box is mounted, the lines are hooked up, the lines are ran in the engine bay, connected to our bulkhead. Right, we've got our condenser mounted on the firewall. We have our dryer mounted on the core support. Yeah, we're ready to rock almost.
Almost ready for LS Fest, right?
Almost ready, yeah. We're only 2 weeks away.
So, oh, that's plenty of time.
Yeah, plenty of time to build a truck. All right.
Thank you.